Hey, Kok Haur. Wow, why are you such in a rush today?
Yeah, I'm super busy, man.
Oh, why are you so busy today?
Yeah, I have just sold this lovely house, and right now I'm going to do an inventory list for the signing of the SMP.
Hey, that's good news. Congratulations. Hey, since I'm here, can you just show me inside?
Yeah, but a quick one, okay? I love this house. It got 10 feet land on the side, meaning it's big, but not too big. It comes with a huge kitchen. Look how wide it is. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
How much did you sell it for?
Yeah, we sold it for 2.4 million. For more TTDI options, head to our website. Looking to sell your TTDI home? Reach out to us to have a chat. Bye!